Another attacks are there: phishing, whaling, wishing. Phishing attacks, guys, you have must have seen lot of spam emails, phishing emails are there that okay, you have won a wonderful prize, you have won this, or there's an email from Bank of America that okay, you have to click this and go over there. So all those emails are known as phishing emails. So those are the spoof emails, fake emails, or any of they can link towards the hacked websites. So that is known as phishing, using spoof electronic communication to trick a user into providing confidential information. So obviously, if you believe that there was a Bank of America, you go over there, you click it, you put your username, you put a password over there, so that can be phishing email can lead you to hack over there. Spoof email, fake email, hacked websites are there. Spear phishing or whaling. Spear phishing or whaling are the someone if you're targeting. For example, I receive an email. Those are also known as forged email. Whenever I deploy Cisco email security appliances or FireEye, so normally we have lot of issues with this one, guys. You in the real world, in the real example world, these things are just theoretical. But in the real world, normally we have forged email a lot. Like the email looks like the email is coming from the CEO, but that is if you go towards the email, so you won't finding any CEO. But because of the pressure, because of the pressure of CEO email, you can just give some of the useful information. So that is known as spear phishing or whaling, targeting attacks, targeting senior management, executive or board of member. So CEO, member, board of member, anyone, because if they are giving an email to you, so that can be issue. This is whaling. And spear phishing is targeting the CEO directly. Like for example, I am the hacker, I will target CEO directly. So that is known as whaling. Phishing, just like phishing over here, this is done by the emails. Phishing is done by the phone. For example, I give a call to someone in the organization, tell them that okay, I am Mr. XYZ, do it right now and give me your credit card number, whatever. So that is a phishing attack. That can be voice over IP, or that can be done on the instant messenger as well. So that is the in IM is known as spam emails, or spamming is also, that is also known as spam. Hoaxing, farming is the redirection. Farming is like when you click something and you are redirected to a website, and that website is basically a fake website. So that is known as the farming. Water holding, like there are a lot of a group of people are being targeted, and they are targeted, like for example, there is a group of people and they are their job is for example for of marketing. So they are marketing one of the product, so they are going towards a single website. So the hacker comes, create that website again under different name, and lot of people traffic over there, so they can be hacked. Hoax is another similar thing. Social engineering and attack troubleshooting. So this is again, we have troubleshooting for each and everything, but one of the effective method is this one, guys. Just remember, this one is very important. If you are towards the any of the management job, any of the higher jobs, so remember, train your employees always. This is a job of the security person and including the HR team and the security team, is that's a joint venture. So normally education of the employees is important if you are talking about the social engineering attack only. Right now, social engineering attack, because if the help desk guy is talking to someone and he is not well enough trained, he is not well enough knowing that okay, I should not cross this limit, this is my boundary. For example, that is a banking call center, and there's someone sitting and they can breach some security, provide some account details to someone unwanted. So that is again, those lines are recorded. But again, the training is important. Training is very important. Education of the employees is important. Normally this is the biggest mistake our organizations are doing, and they are not training the employees accurately. Policy and standard procedures. So SOPs, policies, again, those are the terms are there while you are signing a contract. AUPs are there, NDAs are there. The NDA is a non-disclosure agreement that is being signed, that you will not breach any of the security. And NDA is again important thing whenever we are talking about the HR normally sign an NDA. Confidential information is not being breached or leaked by anyone. AUPs are there, or there are lot of agreements are there, policies are there. Accounting, auditing, and surveillance. Accounting, auditing, guys, again, one of the important thing accounting and auditing is that normally our IT guys like us, I will include, I will not tell you guys, but by myself, I will tell you that like us, like me, for example, we forget to, for example, there was an account of Jack, for example. Jack was a person, he left the company. I didn't close the account. I should close the account, Active Directory account, email account, access to everything at the same day. When the person is leaving the company, when the person is leaving the company, this is the last day, last minute, when he exits the organization, the same day I need to close all of the accounts. Auditing, surveillance is important. Surveillance also is included, just like the CCTVs. CCTVs are there, closed circuit televisions are there. CCTVs are important. Again, if someone is using a lunch day, break day attack, shoulder surfing, dumpster diving, tailgating, anything, like anything is a, so surveillance CCTV footages are always be there in the organization, such that no one can do anything and everything is recorded, everything is there in the database, so you can just review the recording afterwards.